Hello everyone, welcome in. Today I've got a happy mail. This is what arrived today. Just make sure there's no address. This arrived today from the wonderful Sabrina Melodieuse. So thank you so much, Sabrina. So shall we get to it and open it up? Okay then. Well, what I kind of knew this was I knew I had a parcel coming from Sabrina, but a flipping heck, guys, I didn't realise it would be such a big box. Wow. So thank you so much, Sabrina. So let's get into it. Let's see if I can get into it, and I hope all is well. And my gosh, I'm literally dumbstruck, guys. I'm really dumbstruck. Wow, thank you so much, Sabrina. Let's see if I can get into it now. Let's see if I can thingy this off. So there we go. Got it off. So let's see what we've got in. Oh, there's more sellotape. There's more sellotape. There we go. I can see yarn. Oh wow. Wow, Sabrina. What have you been doing to me, girl? Look at that. I think that's got to be the thumbnail, hasn't it, guys? Thank you. Oh my word. King Cole tweed, and I've never used it before, so just bear with me. There is this beautiful card. Let me just have a look and see. Hold on, I can see there's things in it. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh, thank you so much, Sabrina. I hope you enjoy it all. Lots of hugs, my beautiful friend, Sabrina Melodieuse. Oh, I won't read it because it's for, yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I will definitely let June see it as well. So what have I got? Oh, look. Oh, look at this. It's King Cole, and you know King Cole is one of my favourite. And look at all the neps, all the tweed bits. And this is called Harvest, and it's 100 grams, and it's 98 acrylic, 2% viscose, 320 yards, 290 meters, and I've got 5 of those. Look at that. And it's really nice and soft, so yeah, thank you. So I've got that, and I will share these with our June. Oh my lord, be kind always. Oh, an exercise book. Oh, that'll come in really handy. Oh, thank you. I love, and yeah, always, isn't it? Be kind. Isn't that my motto? Be kind. And then Tweeties. June, look, we've got sweets for Thursday. Oh, roses. Oh, lovely. Love, 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 love. Thank you. You know me so well, you've got my favourite biscuits. My favourite biscuits. Oh, Biscoffy. Biscoffy are my all-time favourite biscuits, guys. My all-time favourite. Oh, oh, Sabrina. They're the biscuits that you can't just eat. I mean, they're individually packed, so you've got 2 in a pack. And you know when you go to Starbucks or Costa Coffee or wherever, all these, and you get a little pack, or you get one, and you just, I pinch tricks. Oh, and I've also, oh my God, I've not tried these. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Biscoff. Oh, there's different flavours. So this is vanilla flavour. This is coffee, biscoffy flavour. And this is chocolate milk. June, I think we're sorted for snacks. Holy moly. Oh, and berry hearts, round trees. They're like a chewy sweet. And I got them. Oh, thank you. And then, oh, what's this? Look at the paper, isn't that beautiful? I'll try not to, see if I can use my scissors to open it. I've got a little, oh my Lord. Let's see what she says in it. Oh, there's a little dream catcher. Let me just read this. Sorry, guys. She said, I watched one of your videos when you talk about your mum, how she liked butterflies and pink, so I couldn't resist making this item for you as a hug. Sabrina. Oh. So, I'm sorry. But I've got to show you this. Hold on. Yeah. Wrong way. Sabrina, thank you so much. I can't wait for our June to see it, but oh wow, look at that. That means so much. I can't even begin to put into words. You didn't have to do this, Sabrina, but this, oh my Lord, I will treasure this forever. And for you to think and do this, I mean, we all know what it takes to make something like this, but to make it and gift it to me, words fail me. They really do. I don't know what to say, guys, but wow, 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 look at that. Sabrina, thank you from the bottom of my heart. And you made me cry. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I just can't put into words. Not only the yarn, this goodies, beautiful card, but this would be enough on its own without all the extra goodies. So thank you so very much. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, but when I saw this, yeah, I just have to show it. Thank you, Sabrina. And on that note, guys, I'm going to love you and leave you before I make it even have a total meltdown. Thank you, Sabrina. This means more than I can ever put into words. And I can't wait to see our June's reaction to it. So, thank you. Thanks to everybody for watching. Please check out the description box below for Sabrina's channel. Please go over and send her some love. I would be so grateful. And that's all from me for today. Take care, everybody. Stay safe. But more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.